In this video, I will show you how you can create 360 videos and also this kind of 360-degree website very easily and quickly. So watch the whole video to know how to create it. First of all, you need to go to this link skybox.blockadelabs.com. Here you can create 360 images that are AI generated. It's free and you don't need to even sign in to create the images. So here you can type your prompt, which image you want. Then you can choose what kind of image you want. After that, click on generate. So you can see that the 360 image is created. You can download the image from here after it's created. Now what you can do with this image is that you can create a video with this 360 image, and it is too simple to do. You can go to this link 360photo2video.com. Just click on select images and upload your image. Next, you can customize your video from here. You have the option to specify horizontal position, vertical position, field of view, video duration, number of rotations, quality and frame rate. Then you can specify the direction and the dimensions of the video. You can see that the video is in WebM format, so don't worry. Click on the convert and save the video. Using Cloud Convert, you can change the video format from WebM to MP4. Now you can use this video anywhere you want. But what if we want to embed this 360 image in the website? We can do that as well. To do this, you need to go to this link momento360.com. Just sign up and go to the media. Upload your image here. Open the image and then click on share and then embed the link. Create the link and copy it. Now you can create an HTML file and paste this link inside the source of iframe tag. Your 360 image will be embedded in the HTML file. You can do further customizations after this. So this is the final website. Hope you liked the video and subscribe for more videos like this.